Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, you read the title correctly. Beauty YouTubers and snakes don't usually coexist very often, but today we're gonna change all that. I'm gonna answer your 3 questions really quickly. Question number 1. Have you ever owned a snake? No. The answer is no. Question number 2. Have you ever held a snake? No. The answer is no. Number 3. Have you ever seen a snake close up? No. The answer is no. But I have a snake here in front of me, and I am so excited to unbox it with you guys and share it with you guys. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. I know you guys are just here, you want to see the snake, you want to see the unboxing, so I'm not going to be talking too much. I'm going to leave all of like where I got it, what kind it is, why I want a snake, all that kind of stuff to the very end of the video. That way I don't bore you guys with that first and then we can chat later. But the only thing I am going to say is, number 1, I think I'm going to start a pet animal YouTube channel. So smash the like button if you would subscribe to that channel. If I did start that channel, hit the like. It's not going to take away from this channel. Monday, Wednesdays is always makeup here at Bondbeautyful, but I think once a week I might upload on like a pet channel. I think it would be really fun. So hit the like if you would definitely subscribe so I can see how many of you guys would subscribe. And number 2, give me ideas for a cool pet name. Maybe hopefully something to go with Bondbeautyful. I don't know, something like a cool pet channel name. Comment below right now and let me know. And then if you see any suggestions that you really like, make sure you hit the like on those comments so I can kind of see what you guys are thinking are cool names. So let's just get to the unboxing, shall we? Let's go. Last thing, husband and I have a bet. He was supposed to be here so that he can hold the snake first and take the snake out of the bag. But he's not here. He's not here. So we have a bet. He thinks I'm going to get bit. Bet me $200. I think I can. I took the bet. I took the bet because I was overconfident and said, no, I'm not going to get bit. And now I'm looking at it, the bag, and I'm doubting myself. So guys, pause this video, comment below, and put your bets as well. I want to see how many of you guys have confidence in me, or how many of you guys think what my husband thinks, that I'm gonna get bit by this snake. Comment below. Comment below. All right, let's get to it. I already open the box. I mean, you guys got to see kind of how it looks like. So let's do this. All right, so there's the snake. I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna grab the bag. Oh, oh gosh. I think it peed in there because it's wet. Oh my gosh. I am so nervous. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I picked it up. I picked it up. I picked up the bag. Guys, I picked up the little bag. And I'm pretty sure it peed in it because, oh, I'm not even showing you guys. Can you see this bag? Okay. I picked up the bag, had a heater in there. I did it, I picked it up. Okay, it's a small baby. Let me unravel this real quick. I'm not shaking, like my hands are not shaking. I'm pretty tough. I think. When the guy was walking up, the FedEx guy, he's just like bouncing around like, you don't even know what's in there, do you? Snake. Don't bounce my snake around. All right, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. Oh, there it is. There it is, guys. It's just balled up. Balled up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Okay. I'm gonna try to reach in there without getting bit. I did it, guys. I got him out without getting bit. Oh my gosh. Okay, can I just freak out for a second without making it feisty? Oh my gosh. The head is like right there. Oh my gosh. This is insane. This is the first time I've held a snake. Guys, this is insane. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can you see his little mouth? Okay guys, so this is the snake I got. I got a ball python and I'm so freaking excited. Now my hand's kind of shaking now that I'm holding it. I'm trying just not to agitate it or anything like that. He is amazing. So I got a cinnamon pied ball python. I'm gonna take him downstairs and like see how much he weighs and all that kind of stuff. He's 8 on Sunday, so today is Wednesday. So I think I'll wait a couple more days. I'm gonna let him try to get situated and then I'll try to feed him, and if not, I'll try to feed him in a week, you know, because if it's a new place, he might not eat. But oh, he's absolutely amazing. So they kind of ball up like this when they're scared. Poor little guy is scared. Oh, he's amazing. Oh my gosh, and he feels so soft and smooth. Oh, he's absolutely amazing. He's a little baby cinnamon pied ball python. You guys, I need help with name suggestions. I'll try to take some video and some footage of him kind of spread out. You guys can check him out when he's not so scared. Oh, he's so freaking cute right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's a little tiny baby. It's so sweet. I love it so much. So I am so excited, you guys, and I'm so excited because I want to have a pet channel where I'm kind of feature him and my golden doodles and whatnot. And I'm hoping that he kind of like relaxes, but his tail is so freaking cool. So he's completely white, except for his tail and his head have more of like the brown, wild looking kind of pattern on him, which is really, really neat. So freaking cool, you guys. What do you guys think? Let me know what I should name him. My husband really likes the name Pinky for like Pinky in the Brain, just because he's like white. Let me know what you guys think down below. So you have several things to do. Like the video if you follow my pet channel. Comment and tell me what you think I should name my pet channel. Comment and tell me, you should have commented and voted if you thought I was gonna get bit or not. Also, comment and tell me what you think the name of the snake should be. I'm so freaking excited. He's so cute. I love him so much already. Oh my gosh. I have wanted a snake forever, for my entire life. Okay guys, so let's talk a little bit about this little guy and where I got him from. I got him from Alamo City Reptiles. I found them on, what's it called? What's that site called? Morph Market. I got him off of Morph Market is where I found that that reptile shop. I'm following them on Facebook and Instagram, so I'll link their stuff down below if you are interested. They were really easy to talk to. They were very nice. They answered all my questions right away. They sent him to me right away. I just barely got him like Saturday night, and they sent him to me Tuesday so that he would get here Wednesday. They made sure to feed him on Sunday, and any questions that I had, they answered, and they were so willing to talk to me, which was really, really cool. Another thing about him, because of the color that he was and the kind that he was a cinnamon pie, he was a little bit more expensive. He was $6.50 after shipping and everything, $6.50. So he is a little bit more expensive, but honestly, this is the only one my husband liked. So a little bit about me, I love animals, and ever since I was younger, I would always have this infatuation with crocodiles and snakes. And I've read up about other animals, but crocodiles and snakes were my favorite. I love them. I'm talking about, I'd read books, I'd go to the library to check out books. I can sit and watch documentaries, and I still do with my son because he's into animals as well and dinosaurs. And we just sit and watch documentaries about them because I love them so much. And that's kind of where my love grew. I absolutely love anacondas. They're the neatest creatures ever, and they freak me out and they scared me. Anyways, so when I recently got, you guys know I got 3 fish. I recently got 3 fish, and I realized I'm a grown adult. I don't have to ask my parents if I can get animals. Like, it kind of clicked once I got a couple of fish, and I was like, I can buy whatever I want. Like, any pet that I've ever wanted, I can get. And so right away I was like, a snake. I want a snake. And so right away I really wanted a snake, and so I kind of looked for it, and the only thing I had to do is convince my husband because he was anti-snake completely. Let me put this guy in his enclosure so he can get warm. I'm nervous that he's not warm enough in my hand, and he feels kind of cold. So let me put him in his enclosure really quickly. Quarantine, little temporary enclosure. Hold on. I am so freaking excited. So anyway, so when that kind of clicked, the only person I had to convince is my husband. And so I kind of talked to him, you know, our anniversary is coming up. I'm like, how about for our anniversary? I know you're kind of thinking and trying to find something that you want to get me. How about you just get me a snake? Like, what you can do is I'll buy the snake, and you just buy everything in its enclosure, everything that it's going to need, and it'd be really fun. It'd be an adventure. He was totally weirded out by snakes. 100% weirded out. 100%. He did not want to have anything to do with it. He definitely did not want to have a snake. But after kind of talking to him, I convinced him, and I am so thankful and glad that he did because I love him. And the only thing he said was, I want a white one. I don't want, because at first he was like, I want to have nothing to do with it, but I kind of bribed him, like, come on, I'll let you pick the color of the snake. And I finally convinced him, and he just wanted a white one. He said the white ones looked less scary, less creepy to him. He got the heebie-jeebies from them, and so I finally said, okay, we'll get a white one. They're more expensive. I mean, the cinnamon pie, which is what he liked, he actually wanted just a complete white one, like white with blue eyes. I don't remember what those ones are called, but those ones are expensive. So I was like, okay, I found this one, the cinnamon pie, which was still pricey, and he liked them, and he was like, okay, how about this one? And so that's why I picked the one that I picked. I really like them, and I'm so excited, you guys. So I hope you guys kind of like it. This was a fun kind of video. This is a fun Saturday type of video, but that's why I got a snake, you guys. Beauty YouTubers and snakes can coexist, and they can do it. You guys just saw, I just handled a snake for the first time. I'm owning a snake for the first time, and I saw a snake for the first time, and you guys all got to see it. Anyways, you guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.